Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the compact blanket stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. As you can see, I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. If you would like to start from the beginning making chains and then make the compact blanket stitch, I did make 18 chains. For my swatch here, I then worked a compact blanket stitch into the third chain from the hook. I skipped 2 chains and then made another compact blanket stitch into the next chain, and you would continue that pattern for the rest of that row. Then when you get to the next row or any future rows, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. You make 2 chains over here. You're then going to work 2 half double crochet stitches into this first stitch. Okay, you're then going to move over here into this space. If you can see, this is one compact blanket stitch here. You're actually going to be working in between them into this spot right here. So I'm going to go ahead and work a single crochet. I'm then going to work a half double and another half double all into that same space. And that's going to be one compact blanket stitch made. So it consists of one single crochet, one half double, and then another half double all into the same space, chain, or stitch. Okay, so again, we're going to skip working into the top of this one from the previous row. We're actually going to work in between it right here. You're going to do a single crochet. You're then going to work a half double into that same spot, and a half double into that same spot. Over here, we're going to do a single crochet. And you can see I have already made on our next row. That's where you would work into, right between there, if you were on this next row. Then I'm going to make a half double into this space, and another half double. And that's one compact blanket stitch made. Working into this space over here, made one single crochet. Make one half double into that same space, make another half double, and again one single crochet, one half double crochet stitch, and another half double crochet stitch. Into the last stitch over here of your row, you're going to make one half double crochet stitch. And then that is how you work the compact blanket stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback on future videos that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys for being here. Have a great day.